know, can you all hear that? Every time I move this forward, it starts. For those of you asking, this is right where that big structure used to be that I used to keep an eye on that deteriorated over the years. I've already seen a deer here, so I don't know. But if you listen, there's no other game noise anywhere around. No birds, no insects. Just me walking and whatever's making that noise. Kind of sounds like a turkey, but I don't think it is. Well, only one way to find out, huh? This is good. There's a wire down. I don't know where the hell this wire came from. So some of you asked if I've been back to this area lately. Every time I come back here, something tries to chase me out. I think it's doing it again. Whatever's making that noise stopped. I think me coming into the woods frightened it away. But right here, this is the backside of that structure. That's the main support tree that used to be there. Oh no, there it goes again. Whatever it is trying to chase me out of here. That's me. Didn't really want to walk in here. This is all jaggers. know we've had a lot of wind, but there's a lot of trees inside here that are blown down. Something's walking over this way, so let's take a look. This is a very well used path. You can fall right through the woods. Too much leaf cover, and ground's too hard to tell exactly what. I spy something with my little eyes I want to go check out, and it's in the direction of whatever's making that noise. Definitely something walking around in here. Not enough detail to tell what. There's a deer print in the middle of that big thing. Maybe deer were scratching or digging in here. But this is what I spied. All these trees, more. Like I said, this is the direction of whatever's making that noise. All right, here for all you skeptics. So there's a tree branch wedged in there with another one up there, another one right back there. But my question is, again, I'm finding all these big, I don't know what kind of tracks they are. There's another one here. Let's see, 2. All right, so let's go with this close one here, huh? So if we go by, this was all one. So that's the top. Come down here. When it landed in here, it broke. Where this one came from, no idea. But then this, where did it come from? All right, let's walk over to that other one. I don't know where this one fell from because its bark doesn't match that tree. And there's no way it fell from over there. That one's right here to my right. I mean, look, these ones are going from my right to my left. Back there, everything's going from my left to my right. So they're not uniform with wind. See again, right to left. Right to left. Way back there in the distance, right to left. Over there, left to right. What was it, a tornado in here or something? See, over there, left to right. They're going different. All right, this one you can see, top of it's up there. I'm not quite sure where the very top of it is because none of these branches match it. But when you fall, the bottom's there, the bark and everything matches. That's a pretty fresh break. And sends it right over there to those other ones I've seen. It's just weird. Well, whatever was howling at me has stopped at least. Yeah, there's some sort of footprints in here. Bear, cat, coyote, deer, I have no idea. Not enough detail. You all know the whole missing 411 thing. You know, it says, don't do this, don't do that. I'm doing everything he says not to do. All right, I'm gonna take a break and pee. Talk to y'all later.